Hey modelers, Engineer Jeff here. So this is that Malifaux Wyrdscapes roof of the haunted house or whatever it's called. I've been painting the shingles on it, trying to get this roof finished. This side's mostly done. And this is a scale model that I was working on. It's a show rod. It's called Flameout, I think. Still got some work to do on it. Everything's just a work in progress lately. Haven't got much completed. Hopefully during the winter I actually get more done. And those of you that watched the short that I did, this is that Sentinel that I showcased. Going to do a little bit of weathering on it and finish it up, and then start working on 4 or 5 other ones that I've got built and primed. So I did a thing and picked up this Thunderhawk gunship. Came out, it was re-released last week or Saturday, and so far this is what I've got built up. Pretty fun model to build, lots of tiny little bits and pieces. I've got about 1 page left on the instructions and I'm finished. So gonna do some basing video tutorials coming up. Stick around. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.